tricked her, y'all. I told her I was gonna do the intro with her, but I stayed quiet. We are at Big Surf Water Park. We're just going to hang out, chill. It's Roy down the slides. We have two newbies with us that have never been on water slides before. Hold on, let me give y'all them really quick. Aaliyah and QQ have never been to the water park before.
Yes, I have.
When?
When I was little.
All right, so she's been when she was 2 years old. So does
I
that
probably
count?
have two. No.
Comment down below, y'all, if that counts. Time to have fun. All right, so I thought you weren't wearing that. I'm wearing it.
Yeah. Oh, I'm wearing it.
You go with her, and I'll go with her.
No.
We'll switch.
No.
Yes.
I'm with you first.
No!
Yes.
But she's going
I don't care. I just don't want to be alone.
Oh my gosh, is that
Can't be alone. That looks fun.
No, I never went on that and I'm never going to. I want to. Fine.
Where do we put our shoes?
Wait, no,
when
I
we're-
have been on that one.
How do we get up there?
Go up there after the stairs. They're all the way up there. You have to get your booty first.
Where?
They're all the way over there and then you got to come back over here and go up the stairs.
No.
Well, it's because that one and then those three are the ones that one.
You gotta just put your butt in the hole. Yeah. Are you ready?
I'm scared!
Go! Get in the front. We can both go? Wait! My legs are not in there yet. Move. Ready, go. That was not for me. That was so long. Me too.
That was scary!
That was terrible.
I'm trying to keep my mouth shut! That is scary!
That was fun
breathe
though.
for a second.
I thought I was gonna get stuck in there.
I thought I was gonna hit one of the
So
sides.
last year I was telling you that I almost passed out in there because I held my breath and you're like, don't hold your breath.
Yeah.
The struggle was getting into the donut hole. My thought was like,
You were sitting on the back of it. That's why.
long side. Going first.
Maybe we should just put our shoes right here.
I went,
You guys think? Yeah, let's put our shoes right here. Hopefully nobody will steal them. If somebody steals our shoes, then they're ridiculous.
I'm not putting my shoes on.
Why?
I don't feel like owning them. Yeah, neither.
They're not that important to me. We have to tube it again?
Yeah.
How about we get on the baby slides?
This one's, no.
This is flat.
If it's flat, it'll still work fine when you sit
Oh.
in it, when you play around.
Okay. You better not be lying. Who's going first?
Me.
No, because I'm not taking it all. Hey,
Yes.
any last words?
I love you, Mommy.
Bye.
Any last words?
Pray for me. You have it the wrong way.
Any last words?
Yeah.
You're so used to water. We need to stop letting you go to water parks.
Yeah.
She's so used to it. She's like, it's nothing.
It isn't.
I'm gonna get on that blue one, the twisty one.
I'll get on it with you.
Have you got on it before?
Yeah, with your,
Is it scary?
yes. One?
Going down backwards. Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Ready to go? Yeah. Sure. Yeah. You're lying. You ready not to go? I'm ready to go.
I'm gonna meet them at the bottom. Oh my gosh. I'm not ready.
Just hide the camera. Ready?
Yeah.
You sure?
No. Go.
One thing, just watch out for bats, alright?
Oh, you're tripping.
Watch out.
Oh my God. You're telling me to watch out for bats. He told me to watch out for bats. Oh my God. I hope your dad's car key just works after all this.
I want to go all the way over there.
You're not going that deep. I do not allow that. It is so terribly. You are not that strong of a swimmer.
I only go.
It goes like 10 feet, 12 feet. For a wave pool?
It only
No.
goes to
That's for the surfers.
No, it only goes to 9 feet.
It doesn't matter. You're not doing it.
I know. I only go.
Yeah.
Yes, I can.
You can only go as far as you can stand.
Yeah, so I go to 5 feet and then I'm back. I back out.
That's not fair.
Say what?
That'll happen again.
Yeah, it happens like every 3 minutes.
So this water park is famous for its wave pool. Boom shakalaka. Surfers come and board over here. Boogie boarding, should I say. You want to only go as far as you can stand. Trust me on this one.
This is so hard to walk.
And she wants to go to 10 feet. You still want to go to 12 feet?
Yeah.
10 feet?
Yes.
Oh, that's lava in your face. Do it. I got Don't push it again. You're gonna get knocked out. We gotta get QQ. Let's go get QQ. Let's get QQ. Stay clear.
I'm saying close to you so I can jump like slippery. Yeah, I'm gonna say close to you too.
Don't be trying to hit me and hold on to me when the water comes.
I'm not scared.
You're supposed to have a boogie board.
Well, I'm strong.
Oh my gosh! It's coming! It's coming! Run! Oh my God! Oh heck no! Oh my God! That was terrible! That was terrible! Oh my God!
All the way over there.
I was. Yeah, come on! Ah, get back!
Mom, you're the safe one. You're the one that's tall enough. Well, no, you are tall enough.
Here he comes. Aaliyah's crazy. How did it feel, Aaliyah?
It's not scary.
Oh shoot! Vaquera, this is your daughter. Not this one, but this one not following the rules. She wants to be in the deepest area.
It's not even deep.
She wants to go to the most vicious area of the wave pool.
Can I put on a life jacket so I can go over there?
Life jacket, I'll let y'all do it one time. I ain't doing it though.
One top all the way over there.
Only to where the 6 feet is. That's crazy. Y'all crazy. I changed my mind. No. Right there. That's it. Stop. Stop. Listen. I know, y'all jumped over, that's why.
We were like,
Why does she like this so much? She's just like loving it.
After you go home and you start looking at those, you notice that a lot of guys are going like this.
Oh, yeah, we do, yeah.
I bet.
Like, so y'all kids, y'all like this stuff.
yeah, it's fun. The grown-ups like
All
it
I
too.
see is hazards, health hazards, and it is time for me to exit the.
Oh my gosh, Ruby, what the way is it so hard?
So what do y'all want?
I'll get whatever they get.
I want
A large pizza. So we got pizza.
This is trick.
Let's dig in.
It's not even cut all the way. Like, you have to use your finger.
Oh, maybe we should have grabbed some plates.
Have you seen Norbit?
The blue one. I mean,
Norbit, yeah. I'll show you how. I'll show you how the girl goes down the slide. I see that on Instagram. They had a weight limit. She's like, I'm 100 pounds.
guys, me and Kiki are going on the green one, and Lee's going on the red one. You guys have a YouTube channel?
Yeah.
What is it?
3 Kids on the Block.
3 Kids on the Block?
Go when you're ready.
I'll remember that.
Yeah, you will. You're gonna have
Come on up, big seat.
to. You guys go first.
Wait, she said we could go on this one.
It's really not that scary.
That's a lot of fun.
You go on this one?
I know, I'm going on that one. I'm just
The whole way down.
Continue your track. Go when you're ready. Have fun.
Bye.
Cross your arms, cross your legs, lay back. Have your chin to your chest. Go when you're ready.
Bye, Kiki. I'm so scared.
Cross your arms, cross your legs, lay back. Have your chin to your chest. Don't get lost. Go when you're ready. All right. So, it looks like the kids and the wife forgot to end this off properly. So, it's up to Dad and Taylor to figure it out. Probably my favorite part of the video because I get to take a break in the editing process. But, before I end this video off properly, do you think my son looks like me? I would say so. But anyway, before we get to the ending of this, let me say a couple of things. You remember we uploaded our anniversary special, our wedding back in 2015, doing a reverse in time, taking you back. We showed you our wedding. That was after they went to the water park. Probably a day or two after. Was it a day after? Or was it 2 days after? You don't know? Well, it was maybe a day or two after. And of course, they had pink eye. You saw that. They had pink eye. The ooey gooey pink eye. I know where it came from. My guess is it came from the water park. My guess. We love Big Surf. So don't kick us out because we got pink eye. We should kick y'all out of our summer activities because you gave us pink eye. But that's neither here nor there. Probably a couple of kids came home with pink eye that day. So, to end the video off, I do have to make an announcement. Our first giveaway. It's kind of a challenge / giveaway at the same time. So, one of our subscribers, Juka Toki, probably the biggest blockhead of them all, she says that she has no doubts that we will be to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year, December 31st. Well, we told her, well, do you want better, Juka? We get 1,000 subscribers by December 31st. We will send you $100 cash. Ooh, I know you like that. So here is the challenge for all of my new people to the video, to the channel. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with some friends so that we can give Juka Toki $100 cash. All right? All right. So that's how we're going to end this video off tonight. I am going to say deuces to you with my Lakers Kareem on. All right, blockheads. We'll catch y'all on the flip side. Till the next time we do this, deuces.